Good morning, everyone. Look at that sunlight. Woo! I love the lighting in this apartment. Hello, okay. Good morning, guys. It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap, Lazy, Vegan and another what I ate in a day video. Today, I'm keeping it casual. I am staying at home. I'm working from home today and I'm actually very excited. This week has been absolute manic. I was at the cafe, I think every single day, and today I finally get to work from home, which, I mean, I still have a lot to do, but I can just be a little bit more chillaxed, hopefully. Today is also Friday, so TGIF. I definitely gained a few holiday pounds, you know what I'm saying? So let's keep it healthy today, hopefully. But also, of course, very delicious because I'm not about compromising on the taste. You know what I'm saying? So it is morning time. I've already had my liquids, okay? I've already had my water and I've already had my coffee as usual. So when I immediately wake up, I don't normally eat breakfast right away. Well, obviously it depends on what time I wake up. Today I woke up a bit later than I usually do. I woke up at 7 o'clock and I had my coffee and I did some work. Today's video is actually sponsored by Function of Beauty. I'm gonna talk about them more after I have breakfast because I'm starting to get hungry, guys. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie and I have here this prepped little jar that has a few things that I like to add into my smoothie. The other day I was making a smoothie and I realized I was putting a lot of things into my smoothie and I was like, okay, I should do something about this because I am sick and tired of carrying out like 10 bags of things when I am making a smoothie. So if you like to add a lot of things into your smoothie, I suggest portion. So I prepped like 4 of these jars when I made a smoothie last time so that anytime I make a smoothie, I can just easily put this in and I don't have to worry about all of the things that are in here. So in here, I've got some protein powder, I have greens powder, spirulina powder, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and I even have goji berries. And I think I also have some flax seeds in here as well. So it's full of a lot of really good things. And I like to always add these into my smoothies, but quite often I get lazy and I don't want to take every single thing out. If you want to make it easier on yourself, just prep and portion in advance and it's super simple, and then you just have to take out just a few other ingredients and then you're done. I'm gonna add a slice of ginger as well because apparently ginger is good for you. I've got some frozen berries I'm gonna add in. I have frozen banana as always, and I even have some frozen spinach, and I'm going to also add probably some almond milk. Oh my god, look what I've done. I've just spilled all the blueberries. Oh my god. Whew, what do you do when you spill blueberries? Just pick them up again. And probably wash them a lot. I'm also gonna add 1 date because I want to sweeten it up. And here's the piece of ginger. Spinach. So I know the smoothie's probably not gonna fill me up completely, so I'm also gonna have 1 piece of toast with some hummus and lots of alfalfa sprouts. Okay, it doesn't look very good, but I swear this is so good. This is what the smoothie looks like. I mean, it always looks like a bunch of sludge, but let's see how it tastes. All right. It's actually pretty good. I never know with these smoothies because sometimes I just don't know how to make the right concoction, but this, I can do this again. It's really good. It's refreshing. Just the right amount of sweetness, not too sweet. Very slight hint of ginger, not too strong. Very good. Now I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I have finished my breakfast. I've even changed out of my robe. Did you think I was going to do that? I wasn't sure either. So since it is the new year, guys, I'm sure many of you guys are looking to maybe revamp your look. Just, you know, enhance your beautiful self. So today I'm actually working with a hair company to bring you guys some beautiful hair. I also get a lot of questions on my own hair, so I thought it would be perfect to work with Function of Beauty. So what's really cool about Function of Beauty is that they actually create custom shampoos and conditioners that are designed for your own hair. So whatever your goals are for your hair, whatever your hair type is, these formulas are designed for you, and no two formulas have ever been the same. It's super, super easy. All you have to do is fill out a 2-minute quiz, and that outlines your hair type, your goals, your personalized preferences. You get to choose the color and also the fragrance. Their formulas are all paraben-free, sulfate-free, GMO-free, and toxin-free, and of course, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So here is the box. This is the conditioner. This is the shampoo. Now mine is obviously curated to my own liking. Function of Rose. I want to condition, replenish hair, hydrate, color protect, and strengthen, because I've definitely weakened my hair a lot through bleaching and all that stuff. And this fragrance, guys, if you like floral scents, definitely try out this Flower to the People. This scent is so good. It smells so amazing. Super cute. They even come with travel size bottles, and they also come with pumps, which I didn't realize at first. But yeah, they come with pumps, which helps a lot. And I got mine in blue. As you can see, the color is just gorgeous. And it's awesome. The shampoo, what's the word I'm looking for? It lathers really well. Oh my god, the conditioner is so good. I usually never use just a regular conditioner. I actually always use a hair mask because my hair is so dry and I want it to be like super, I don't know, moisturizing and deep conditioning. But this actually did the job for me. My hair was super soft, and my hair is definitely not soft naturally. So the fact that I can tell them, okay, this is what I need in my life, and then they like create this formula for you, which is so cool. So guys, if you want to get yourself some beautiful hair in 2019, then click the link down below and you can get yourself 20% off your first order from Function of Beauty. You can grab yourself some customized shampoo and conditioner and meet your hair goals in 2019. So thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Also, I just colored my hair last night, slightly darker green. I mixed in some blue. I think I like the slightly darker green look a bit more. I'm really liking this green. What do you guys think? Alright you guys, I've been doing some work on my laptop, and now it is almost 1 o'clock now, and I am starting to get hungry. So we're gonna eat some food. I'm not sure what I'm going to have. Let's see what I have. All right, I have some olives. I have some romaine lettuce. I think I can make myself a bit of a salad type situation. I have some leftover lasagna, but I think I have some veggies I need to cook up. All right, let me just look and see what I can do. All right, I've got some Chinese broccoli that I definitely need to use up. I might throw in some baby bok choy as well, because I think that's also slightly going bad. So Chinese broccoli that kind of looks like, I mean, it's not the freshest, but you know what? I'm sure it's fine. We're gonna stir fry it. And then I have some tofu. This is medium firm tofu that I am going to eat as well. Let's see what I can make. I think I'm gonna do a soba noodle thing, okay? I'm doing some soba noodles, Chinese broccoli, tofu, and maybe some bok choy. Let's see what we can make. Gonna cover this up, kind of let it steam. I didn't add any oil, just going to let the water just cook it up. And then I'm just waiting for the water to boil so I can cook the soba noodles. All right, as you can see, it's already shrunk down a lot. I'm just going to season with some soy sauce, sesame oil, and I'm gonna add a bit of maple syrup because I think it's gonna be quite bitter. I'm also gonna add some garlic salt because I'm out of garlic powder, so I shouldn't have added so much soy sauce actually. It might be a bit salty, but add a tiny bit of maple syrup to counteract the bitterness. And then on this pan right here, I'm gonna cook up the tofu. Just spraying on some oil. This is hard to do this with one hand. So this is medium firm tofu, and normally I don't pan fry medium firm tofu, although it is actually quite good because I like the softness of it. I'm gonna cook it on each side. What I like to do is I just leave it for it to cook. I'm gonna leave it on medium-high heat. I'm gonna cook it for about like 4 minutes on each side. Let's see what happens after 4 minutes. In the meantime, my water is boiling, so I'm gonna throw in the soba noodles. And that only takes about 5 minutes to cook. The Chinese broccoli and the bok choy looks like it's very much reduced. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of sesame oil. Look how little there is left. I'm just hoping these parts are softened. All right, I'm gonna try to see. It's still pretty soft, I think. But, oh, look at that. I mean, I could leave it on for a bit longer, but I'm also impatient. So let's see. If it breaks, it's not a huge deal, to be honest. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. Ooh. Ironically, the one that I tried to flip after putting the camera down is the one that broke. So I'm gonna let this cook for another like 4 minutes or so, and then that should be done. And noodles are almost done. All right, we're also gonna make a quick sauce. We are taking some gochujang, Korean red pepper paste. That's what it looks like. Korean hot pepper paste. We're also gonna take some apple cider vinegar, sesame oil, maple syrup, and soy sauce. Let's make a quick dressing. I'm not gonna measure because this is just, you know, it's not a recipe video. So I'm just going to use my eyes. You know those eyes that you have? Just use those. Okay, that's gochujang. Ooh, that's spicy. Bit of apple cider vinegar. You can also use rice vinegar. Some maple syrup. A little bit of soy sauce. Tiny bit sesame oil. Just mix that well. Now the gochujang is gonna be a bit tough to mix. Just have to be patient. It's a bit of a thick paste, so just be patient, you'll get there. I'm gonna splash just a little bit of water to thin it out, and that's gonna make it easier. This is for the noodles, by the way. I am so excited for this. It's gonna be so good. Guys, these are the soba noodles. What I did was I drained it, and then I rinsed it under cold water, so they're cold now, okay? I think the soba noodles are just best when they're cold. If you like spicy food, definitely try out this sauce. Can we also take a look at this tofu? Okay, let's ignore the broken pieces. But look at that. Look how nicely browned that is. Nicely golden brown. Let's add those veggies in there. As always, let's top with some toasted sesame seeds. I also added a few pieces of leftover tempeh here. That's just leftover teriyaki tempeh. I just had it, so I thought I might as well add it. And then last but not least, we're gonna add some green onions. These are just chopped green onions. There we go. And there is the finished bowl. There are some spicy noodles in there, pan-fried medium firm tofu. We've got some Chinese broccoli and bok choy, some tempeh, and then topped with green onion. This is such a delicious meal for me. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me just get a noodle shot. Look at that. These noodles, you must try the sauce. It's so yummy. The combination is so great. I love buckwheat noodles, cold noodles. So delicious. I can't wait to dig into this. Alright guys, the lunch was so delicious. I think I literally ate it in less than 10 minutes. I do want something sweet, so I thought I would have some blueberries. Yay! I did wash them thoroughly, guys. I'm gonna take my vitamins. I am actually terrible at remembering to take vitamins. I do try to take B12 as often as I can remember, and this is just a mixture of different vitamins. I know there's B12 in here. I think that there is some sort of omega-3 thing. I think there's also vitamin D, although I could be wrong. Anyways, it's just like a mixture of different vitamins. I'm just gonna take them, and yeah, just remember to take your B12, guys. Oh, guys, I have been working all day. It's been pretty busy, so I've been working, and I actually just went to the gym, and I just got back. And I kind of want to do something with cauliflower. I always get some sort of like charred cauliflower at restaurants, and I kind of want to try making that as part of like a dinner. Obviously it's not ever going to be a full dinner. Who eats cauliflower for dinner? Like, please. So yeah, I kind of want to try making charred cauliflower because I have cauliflower left, and I'm like, okay, should I try and char this even though I don't really know how to char? I think I'm gonna throw it onto a pan for a bit, and then I might try and throw it in the oven. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of lazy, so I don't want to do too much. I got life to live. All right, I'm gonna use the same pan that I did not clean because you know what? It already has some flavor in there, you know? Some flavor already in there. I'm actually gonna use a bit of olive oil, maybe a little more than what I would normally use. I don't know. Actually, maybe not. I'm not sure. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna make sure this is on high heat. I don't know if this is gonna work. It might just cook it. All right, let's, oh my God, it's like, ooh. I think it's kind of burnt because I didn't wash the pan, but it's kind of working in my favor right now. So it might even add some flavor from whatever I had before. Ooh, very exciting. Alright guys, I actually threw it in the oven just for I think 12 minutes because I thought it was kind of undercooked, and I threw it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what we're working with here. It actually looks pretty decent. Oh my gosh. Alright you guys, that is pretty much it for my what I ate in a day video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, and of course don't forget to check out Function of Beauty and get yourself 20% off using the link down below. Thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!